Hey guys, good morning. Cordia, we're having a shoot for school. We're having a, oh my god, it's going. We're having a shoot for my school now. I really don't feel too well. I'm telling this guy to run and he's not running now. But show Cordia.
Oh yeah.
Measure.
Oh sister.
Look at you. So we're having a shoot for my school, and I'm supposed to be shooting at the canteen with the guy. He just called me as I'm on my way there because I'm having a flu here. And my own role part is in the canteen. So yeah. Okay guys, so I literally told you guys like it was canteen, but Brighton changed the shoot because he was telling me like he has another idea and I think it's perfect. You know, to some point I was so thinking of doing this one. No, like doing this one as part of the video ideas, you know. That's it. Oh my god, the flu is killing me. And I just came from outside too. I went to like the dermatologist to check my skin. You know, hey, they said 5,100 for complete treatment. And I was like, well, go like. Well, go like. Hey, for the results, because they were like, it's for inside and outside cleaning. And like it's for both my acne and my dark spots that will clean for the 5 treatments. You know? So for me, I think, ooh, it's very to come like this. It's like the, how do they call it? Like the golden hour. Golden hour. Golden hour. It's perfect.
And it starts with you.
Yeah, because I'm golden, you know. Hey, right? Relax.
Hey.
Relax.
Chilling.
Matala, what they? Those moons, I think like Eric has leg problems.
Go up there.
Okay, sure.
You're so beautiful. Yeah, really, I mean it, huh?
When I told Brett I'm the star, he didn't understand. He was just thinking I was.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Just look in you there. Okay. Nope.
I was too close to wave.
Too close. Okay, so now look, let me see. Look right there. Right where you are there. Let's move back. Okay, right there. Okay, now look.
Finally, my clothes are washing. Oh my god. Today has been not a hectic morning, but I've just been trying to get everything done. Today I have a couple of things to do.
请稍后，签收成功，请取走。
Why my dog? Why my dog? He asked Juni Sherry Kwaila Juni Sherry Kwaila Juni Sherry Kwaila Baba Juni Sherry Kwaila Hip 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 hooray birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday dear daddy happy birthday to you joyeux anniversaire joyeux anniversaire.
Finish schoolwork, eat my favorite salads or coffee shop.
J'avoue, j'en ai bavé, pas vous, mon amour. Avant d'avoir eu vent de vous, mon amour. Ne vous déplaise en dansant la javanette. Nous nous aimions le temps d'une
You guys, I'm so sad. Can you imagine? I've literally been here for like 5 hours, not like 4, like 4 hours, and my video literally did not upload. Just be like 1%. I think it's a general problem with the Wi-Fi now, but I really cannot explain this. I feel so sad, you guys, so sad. It's time for me to go to school now because like, bro, guys, I gained weight. Can you see? I really gained weight. I need to take this up before my birthday, baby, because 21 we need to be. Okay, so now did I show you guys what I'm wearing? So I have like this crop. Wait, let me turn the camera. This bedroom is so nice. This is it. So I have this crop pullover. It's red. I really love it. The material too is so nice. You guys, you need to touch it. It's so nice. Paired it with my red wash, red slides, because baby, why not? And with like these pants, guys, it's cold, but like I don't know why. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm crazy. But like c'est